here at Macleod celebrating Garage Music Factory's 1-year anniversary, and we're here with the man himself who started it all.
Hi, I'm Ben, founder of the Garage Music Factory.
All right, so what is Garage Music Factory?
Well, it started out as me trying to figure out some way to bring live music into the Valley, because born and raised here, and I've seen a lot of really great music venues in the past, but in the last, I guess since COVID, maybe, I'm not really sure, there just hasn't really been I feel like a central place for music in the Valley. There's a couple places for sure. I don't want to throw any disrespect to all the great places in the Valley, but I just feel like there's so many people in the Valley that don't have their local music spot. So this was an attempt to create that for Van Nuys and just the East Valley.
I definitely feel that. I went to Oxy, so I knew like the Northeast LA scene, but then coming back here, I'm like, where is the scene? But then as soon as I came here my first time, I was like, oh, hell yeah, there's community. Was there a specific moment that compelled you to open up the garage, or was it kind of just over the years?
I mean, I'm a lifelong musician myself, and I've been here for several years, and I was just always trying to get this to do something more musical, because there's some licensing issues, there's a lot of technical stuff that makes it difficult, and just at a certain point I was like, you know what, like, it's time. I'm gonna just dive into the paperwork, like figure out a way to make this happen, just because I really want to see a lot of local bands. Like I want to see people come through here and like get big, you know, and like cut their teeth at a local spot. So I wouldn't say there's a specific moment. It was just the culmination of a lot of moments of wanting something more.
And this might be hard, but can you maybe give an example of like the most satisfying part of running this all so far?
It feels good to have a well executed show for sure, but like seeing bands play, and like, you know, a lot of people like, I mean, I guess I'm not a low-key guy anymore because I'm behind the camera, but like I don't really go to a lot of the bands and be like, hey, what's up, I'm the owner or whatever. I'll just be here seeing the shows. So, you know, so I'll see a lot of bands come after their show, and I'll just be, you know, behind the bar or whatever, helping out, and like hearing bands be like, damn, that was really cool, like so much energy from the crowd, or it was packed or whatever. It's like, it's such a good feeling to just see bands like having that show that they've been working really hard for executed well.
What do you think people get wrong about the Valley?
The Valley is the size of most cities in the country. It's like there's so many people in the Valley, and I think people consider it to be almost like the suburbs of real LA or whatever, but like it's bigger than Boston. It's huge, and there's like, you can count the venues on your hands that there are in the Valley. It's just like there are so many people that are so hungry for live music, and they turn out. I mean, we've had shows here that like you can't even get in the door. Like we had to open the garage door, and like it's flooding out like crazy. Like I think there's so many venues in Hollywood, and those are cool too for their own right, but like there are just so many people here and so few venues that like if you book a show here and you reach out to the Valley, like they will show up, and they always do.
Oh, that's awesome. And is there anything else you'd like to add, share? Why should people come out?
You know, it's a fragile thing. It's a really, really fragile thing. Like we have tried to reinvest as much as we possibly can to making a better product and like getting the bands we can, and like the venue's been basically operating as a zero profit venue for the entire year now, because we want to make a really good show for you guys. And like if you guys get your sets together and you reach out to your people, like it is so much fun. It's a really sick place to play, I think. I've seen a lot of really good shows here, and yeah, hope to see y'all soon.
Awesome. See ya.
We are Zeiler. You want to introduce yourself?
I'm AZ, short for Azarius.
This is the drummer. I'm Jacob. I'm the bassist and singer.
Angel, I play guitar with these guys.
Yeah, we are Zeiler from Santa Clarita.
And what kind of music do you guys play?
Mostly what? Alternative rock?
Alternative rock. Indie rock. We make our own stuff. We have
Yeah.
our own style, I'd say, but
We have like 1 or 2 shoegaze songs, but like a variety.
we just love rock, you know? It's kind of our thing. Definitely, you know? But yeah, a little bit of everything.
And then where can people find
So we have an Instagram, Zeiler, Zeiler band, Zeiler band, and we have a song on Spotify just released a couple months ago. It's that's our only song right now, but we have more coming.
Our first single. We're working on a full-length LP, so we hope to have that out by the end of the year.
Hopefully.
Yeah. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be hard work, but we've done the first song, you know. But we're working on everything else, and live gigs whenever we can. But yeah. All right, we are Zeiler. Thank everybody for coming. We already got a full crowd, so that's great.
I've been here for almost 2 years.
Oh, nice.
But Ben's been like a great friend of mine for like almost 4.
She's always asking for you to You're in treat for a very, very good night. A lot of good bands, good bands, and everyone is sharing each other. What the hell is that about? So everyone is going to be on stage tonight. Right? Get comfortable. Hey, thank you. I love you. Thank you. What's up? We're going to chatter. This is not going to be the lip. Don't say that.
Is this
Fernandez.
Fernandez?
I'm not so good at these in-between parts.